Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So in today's session I'm going to take few trades with 5-second confirmations. So for that you can see the trend is a downtrend. If I want to draw a line here, I want to show you here. Okay, this is the level. This is the level. Now you can see in this zone with this price bar I am seeing here few good levels. You need to take always those levels which are visible levels. Now you can see market reviews after this level, so it means this is a strong level. Now you can see I got the rejection, so I can easily go here with the sellers. Now you can see this is the buyers area. This area is the buyers area. Still there is a gap and I am seeing also a rejection with this round number, so it showed me that the next candle has to go down. So you will see. Okay, so the visible level for this chart is here, so I need to draw it like this. Okay, so now you can see market is going down. Now I need to analyze another thing. Now I'm going and checking the left side. I need to find a level. So with this opening price and with this opening price, with these two opening price with the bullish candles, I can easily see that this is the level. Now you can see it is a trendy market. The market needs to break the level, and when the market comes to this area and closes in between these two lines, I can go here with the sellers. So I will wait and see what happens here, because if you are not seeing the level here, now you can see this is the trendy market. Okay, if I want to draw a trend line or line here, you can see this is the level. Okay, so this is an additional confirmation. Now market can get a rejection. Now you can see, and after this candlestick I can go here with the buyers. I've taken my trade here in an up direction. Why? You can see here this is a momentum, and now you can see suddenly exhausted candle. All sellers entered into the market and sold the stuff. So what I saw here a rejection, and I can easily see that point A, point B. From this point I am seeing here a strong seller's entry, so now I can expect here the same thing. So therefore I have taken my trade, and the market can close here like this. So let's see what happens here. Okay, it has to go up and it can close above my entry point. Okay, let's see. It has to go up. Yes, it is closing as a bullish. So now you can see, now I used here. Okay, so now you can see I used here trend line. Now I can wait here for the reversal. So this is a reversal area. So if the candle closes in between these areas, I can easily go here with the sellers, because by seeing the past I know that there is a opportunity to go with the sellers. Okay, this is a SNR support resistance, and if I want to go back and check this level, okay, now I don't see any kind of level here, so no issues. Now I need to wait. The next candle can also go up. It can hit this level and it can come down, but I need to take the opportunity. Okay, so now you can see market is trying to go up. Okay, if it is a trendy market, you need to check these horizontal levels on the left side. In a ranging market, you need to take the area, okay, with the closing price with the high price. So in a ranging trendy market, you need to set the lines with the closing points or opening points. Okay, so now market, you can see again exactly at the level. So now this time you can see market can break this level. A weak buyers, a strong sellers. Okay, now let me show you here on the left side. You can see here strong sellers, weak buyers, strong sellers, very weak buyers, again strong sellers is trying suddenly. Here it took so many time, but here the market can easily go down from this point. So because of this, market can close as a bearish. You can see after these two retracement candles, market starts to go down. So in this situation, I don't have any level, so it's better to change the pair. Okay, you can see, as I told you, now buyers can enter into the market again, but I need to find a good you can see this 5 second in the previous candle shows us that buyers are interested to come back in the market, but I need a proper confirmation. Okay, this is a confirmation, so I can go here with the buyers. Now you will see the market will definitely close above our entry point. Why? Because after every breakout, buyers retest the levels in a trendy market, so therefore buyers again entered into the market. And in the previous candle I also saw this one, so therefore I took with this trade with this candlestick, so therefore we can easily win this trade. Okay, so now you can see I won my trade here with 5 second confirmation. Okay, so I need to check another pair. Okay, here you can see a ranging market. So now if you analyze the market here, it was an uptrend, but after this point market is not going up, so now it is a downtrend and market is moving like this. So the bullish candles are the retracement candles here. Now I need to check a good level. So you can see in this situation I am drawing here two closing, okay, 2 points here. Now if the candle closes here, I can go here with the sellers. Okay, market can go down from this point because you can see this is the level. Candle closed exactly at the level, but I need a good confirmation, but there is a gap down. You can see a seller's interest in the previous candle. So if the market goes up, I am going to take my trade in a down direction. Okay, so now you will see the market will definitely close below my entry point. Why? You can see in the previous candle I am seeing here a interest of the sellers for this level, so therefore I took my trade here after this confirmation. So this area is my confirmation area, although the market opened with a gap down, but the market has to close below my entry point. So now you can see market is trying to go down. Okay, so now you can see I won this trade also. So in this way you can easily take your trades. I took my trades here and I won each and every one of them because of proper analysis. So always remember what I said. that in a trendy market, if the trendy market is appearing, it is appearing because of the seller's entry, because of the seller's entries. In a ranging market, what you need to do, you need to draw a level. Okay, you need to draw an area. But in a trendy market, you need to connect two reversal points. Okay, so after that, candle closes here, you can go here with the next candle and you will win. So this is how we can take trades, and I showed you the main difference between the trendy market trading and normal market. Trendy market with 5-second confirmation. Okay, so trendy market trades are very good, so you can easily win your trades. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment, and try to practice these points. These are very helpful points and you can easily win your trades. And try to see what I did and try to watch this video again and again, because this is very important. I showed you here with a trendy market you need to focus. Okay, you need to focus in a trendy market. You need to focus and you need to connect any two levels. So this is an uptrend. If the candle closes here, you can go here with the buyers, and if it is a downtrend, connect these two levels, see the strongness on the left side, and you can go here with the sellers. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment, and bye for now. Stay blessed you all and have a blessed day and blessed weekend ahead. And you can join our channel Trading Skills, the link is in the description. So stay blessed you all, bye for now, have a blessed day ahead, bye. And again you can see market is closing exactly at the level. Again it is a downtrend. If the market closes here, you can expect here a seller's entry. So let's see and wait. You can see market is breaking the level, and I will give you a tip here that whenever market breaks the level and sellers enters into the market, it means that that level is a strong level. So now you can see if sellers enter after this candlestick, it is an exhausted candle. You can see here the sellers entered already in the market. This is the interest of the sellers, but we need a 5-second. The 5-second gives us a confirmation that after breakout the market can reverse, and this it will indicate us that this was a strong level. So now you can see here market is trying to go up. So it means that in the very first 30 seconds we are not seeing any sellers entry, so there is no need to go here with the sellers. It's better to leave the market. Okay, so if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. Bye for now, have a blessed weekend ahead. Bye.